Yo guys, this right here got me a little bit confused on how people was actually sleeping on these. They slept on these joints like crazy. And again, I have not been on YouTube, so I haven't really got you guys honest opinions and takes on the sneaker. We didn't do early look, we didn't do none of that. But the outcome of the release is a little bit puzzling. Like I was like, yo, people gonna go crazy for these. And long story short, you know what happened with these joints right here. But without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. It's my first time seeing, no, I actually had these already. We already had these. We showed them earlier a while back. Now I think about it, I should have went back and read the comments, but just seeing how the release went, it's almost like nobody wanted these at all, man. Let's get into today's video. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Appreciate everybody for tapping in once again, bro. Again, I do greatly appreciate it. You guys do not have to come through and see what your boy Devent is talking about. If you love talking about sneakers, you love chopping up about the culture, the community, this is the spot to be. You know what I'm saying? This is where we can come, chop it up, see how release is going, see what Nike's doing, see what Jordan's doing, see what's coming out. Everything wrapped into one channel, and this is a good spot to be, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys are new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. Every single like counts. So if you guys want to give boy a solid, you got to rock with the vibes, man. Hit that like button. All right, man, I ain't did that in a while, so I had to pull it back, you know. So we had to get the shoes from the sky, you know what I'm saying, from the sneaker guys above. But you guys know with these inside today's box, this is something I was super interested in. Again, I've been kind of on and off in terms of getting shoes, but as a sneakerhead, you always get sneakers. So even though I wasn't on YouTube, just know your boy was still getting some dubs. That's why I said we got a backlog of content to dump on you guys. So I do appreciate you guys to hit that notification bell. If you got it already hit, I appreciate y'all. Go ahead and drop a notification bell in the comment section so I can know who the real ones are, man. But again, like I said, bro, this was one of the ones that I thought would get a little bit more love, especially given the fact that we got another OG colorway earlier this year. So I don't know what really happened, bro. A lot of people were sleeping. I don't know, man. But let's go ahead and get into it. Once you guys see the box, you're going to know exactly what we have. And yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Time to officially see my size. You know what I'm saying? Check it out right here. I can't believe y'all was asleep. I can't believe people sleep. And these joints are already in the Nike outlet. So let's go ahead and read the first colorway. Air Jordan Retro High OG, dark powder blue, and dark powder blue. And I went back to a size 9, 9.5, feeling a little too boldish. A little too boldish, you know what I'm saying? Well, not really too boldish, but it wasn't to my comfort, you feel me? Even though it probably is best for me, gotta go size 9, a little bit more, a little bit glued to the feet, a little bit more, you feel me? But let's go ahead and flip the top open and officially see these things in my size. And yes, sir. Oh, they look so clean, man. The Air Jordan 1 Reimagine UNCs. Now, what's crazy about the UNC Air Jordan 1s is I wanted a pair back in like 2018, 2019 time frame, or right before the whole UNC Off-White drop. And after the UNC Off-Whites dropped, they did a shop drop on them joints, which we haven't seen a shop drop in a while. That's a whole totally different story. But the UNC Air Jordan 1s, the OGs that released in 2014 or 2015, can't remember the year, they shot up in resale tremendously. I'm talking about it went from under $200 to almost $1,000 within a second, because everybody that took an L on the UNC Off-Whites wanted the UNC Air Jordan 1s, and I still don't have neither one of those. So this is one I was super excited for. It ain't all about the hype. It ain't all about how much she was going for. It's all about what you truly like. And again, I've been wanting the UNCs for a very, very long time, so I had to jump on this release right here, man. I just had to have them. And it's super dope that, they gave us some extra laces. This is a reimagined spinoff. And I do want to grab the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds because they did come in the same type box. No receipt in these or anything like that, but you get that same crackled leather and all that good stuff. But these joints is crazy, bro. Like, I am super excited to have these. And again, you guys already know, people are gonna say I'm probably hyping them up or, some crazy stuff. But just know, if these things were limited or anything like that, everybody be on the same type wave. So that's why I always tell people, man, buy what you like, forget the hype, man, because these right here, bro, are definitely a top 10 pickup for me. It was already a most anticipated release coming to the year. And I thought with all the shoes that we've seen, like the Bread ones, the Metallic 5s, a whole bunch of releases earlier this year, you seen how they kind of flew quickly. The hype and the momentum towards the release was crazy. Shoes are selling out. I did think that these would do the same, you know what I'm saying? But I guess it was a little bit more stock and or probably a little less likely that people would go out and grab them, which I didn't suspect at all, you know what I'm saying? So check them out right here, man. The Air Jordan 1 Chicago lost and founds compared to the UNC lost and founds. Again, bro, two crazy Air Jordan 1s in my opinion. I don't have the OGs, but I definitely feel like the lost and founds is a close second. It's like a 1B, you know what I'm saying? You got the OGs, the 1A, and you have the 1Bs. It's like not too much of a miss off the originals. Of course, you get that age midsole, you get the crackle leather up top, or the crackle, whatever this is on the collar right here. And other than that, bro, you get a crazy nice colorway, bro. I really do enjoy having these in the collection. I cannot wait to throw them on feet. I beat these things up like crazy, the lost and founds. I need a crispy pair. And the good thing is, if you didn't know, we are getting the Chicago Air Jordan 1 lows releasing later this year, which is super, super dope, man. But you guys can see we have them. Let me know in the comment section if you did secure a pair of these. I was so excited to open them up. I said, you know, I gotta wait. I gotta hold off, give you guys that true reaction to me checking them out. And I don't have any like, you know, gripes or complaints about the sneaker. I really do like it. The leather around the toe box does feel a little stiff, but I don't care about that. These things going straight to the toe. And the only thing I've seen a lot of people complaining about, which I kind of feel like a lot of people are gonna say why they didn't cop it, is they saying that the midsole was a little too yellow. So if you guys do know, like this is a little bit of yellow, it's a little bit of sail, a little bit of off-whitish down below in the midsole of the Lost and Found Chicago's. But I think people said they went a little too crazy with the yellow on the midsole of these. But you can't, in hand, you don't really see that. On videos and pictures, it does look a little, you know, a little bit brighter yellow, but I think it's gonna do well, bro. And if you wanted to really make it a little, less yellow, get you some paint, tape them things, take the outsole off, tape the upper of the shoe, and freehand that joint. You get you a crispy pair of UNC Air Jordan 1. Check again, let me know in the comment section if you secured a pair. These things are already in the Nike outlets. I know a lot of people might wait. It might be best to wait to grab these. I seen them going for like under retail. Again, you can go find them in the Nike outlet, getting that, extra 20% off or 30% off, whatever they do have, and you should be good to go. But I am excited to have these joints. Super crispy. This is one of the ones for your boy that I had to have. And again, I cannot wait to throw these things on feet, man. Let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 1 UNC Reimagined, guys. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. More content on the way. I have a sneaker to unbox that's not Nike, that's not Jordan, that's not, something you guys are used to, but people said they did want to see other sneakers incorporated into the channel. So it's not going to be like no unboxing. It's going to be me actually reviewing the shoe. So I needed a full review in a very, very long time. So y'all stick with your boy. Y'all rock out with me because it might be a little rough one on the first one back, man. But again, I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. Run them likes up. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you're going after. Got Mellow 12s coming out. White Cement 4s coming out. We have a whole bunch of heat coming out over the next couple months, and I cannot wait for them, man. So let me know what you're going to be grabbing in the comment section, bro. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. All that's being said, your boy The Vintage. Going to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.